So all of you can look at the board, children. So today we are going to know about comparison chapter. There are three forms of comparison: positive, comparative, and superlative. Okay. When we are making no comparison, then we are using positive degree. When we are comparing two things, then we are using comparison between two. When we are comparing more than two, okay, then we will use superlative. And for comparative, we are not using any positive, we are not using any comparison. So I can give you one example of good. And for comparative, we are using er, better. And with superlative, we are having est, best. Like Ram is a good boy. So here I'm not making any comparison. I'm simply saying Ram is a good boy. So it is a positive degree. Fine. Am I clear, children? Ram is a good boy. So it is a positive degree. So if I'll say Ram is better than Rahul. Ram is better than Rahul. So I'm comparing two. Ram is better than Rahul. So I'm making comparison between two. So that is, it is called comparative. Okay. It is comparative. If I'll say Ram is the best boy in the class. Ram is the best boy in the class. So I am making comparison more than two. Best boy in the class. Here I'm talking about more than two. So it is superlative. And in comparative degree, we use er and also then. Okay. When we are using comparative degree, we are using er and then. Then in superlative, we are using est. In superlative, we are using est. And we are comparing more than two. And in some adjectives, we are having intelligent, more intelligent, most intelligent, where we cannot change their form to erest. We are putting more and most with them. Okay. Am I clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Like sweet, sweeter, sweetest. Intelligent, more intelligent, most intelligent. Beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Here I am not changing them into erest. I am putting more and most with them. So with comparative, we are using more. For comparative, we are using more. And with superlative, we are using in that case most. Okay. Am I clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
So now we are going to do the exercise part. You can see here. This is a very expensive smartphone. I'm looking for something. What you can write here? You are comparing. This is a very expensive smartphone. I'm looking for something. Can you tell me, children? Expensive. What is the antonym of expensive?
Cheap.
What is the antonym of expensive? Then what we are going to write, because we are comparing here. So what we are going to write? We have to use er. I'm looking for something cheaper. Okay. Second one. I hope this is clear. Next one.
Yes,
Tell me the next
Yes,
one.
ma'am.
We are late for the concert. We should have started. We should have started earlier. Absolutely correct. We should have started earlier. Next one. You have a very casual attitude towards work. You need to be a little
Nice.
little
elegant. Conscious. More elegant.
more careful, you can say. Little
Ma'am,
more
conscious.
conscious or more careful. Casual, you need to be more careful. Okay. Then the article isn't very good. I'm sure you can write a, what is the, yes,
Better one.
absolutely correct. Comparative form of good is better. Okay. These coffee cups are rather small. I expected them to be
Larger.
larger. I expected them to be bigger. Next one. Next one. I have eaten many cakes, but I haven't eaten a cake. I haven't eaten a cake. Then has come. Better than this one. Yes, better than this one. Okay. I'm going for 5 days. Perhaps the trip could be even
More than. More than.
longer than that. Longer than that. Next one. You are sitting too close to the fireplace. I think you should move a bit. Move a bit.
More away.
Farther away. Farther away. Farther. Farther away. Then next. Raj is looking dash. I wonder if he has started his morning walk. Raj is looking
Fit.
fat.
Fatter.
Raj is looking fat. I wonder if he has started his morning walk. Or Raj is looking slim also. You can write Raj is looking slim or thin. I wonder if he has started his morning walk. Okay, is it very warm today? Yesterday was
More.
it isn't very warm today. Yesterday was warmer. Okay. Next one. I'm not very interested in sports. I'm dash in reading.
I'm more interested.
Yes, I'm more interested in reading.
Reading.
Interested in reading. Next one. This pair of scissors isn't very sharp. Have you got a
Sharper one.
sharper one? Absolutely correct. Have you got a sharper one? I think you have done this, children. Have you done it?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, your video is so blurred.
My video is blurred. My board is not visible to you all.
Ma'am, it's visible.
Ma'am, it's clear.
Ma'am, it is clear and visible.
And what about this page?
Ma'am, board is visible, but it's so blurred.
Ma'am, page is also visible.
I think there is some problem with you, Priyanshi, because it is visible to everyone. So now we'll move on to the second question. Comment on these situations, write sentences with the comparative and then. Use these adjectives like late, popular, long, strong, old, expensive. One has been done for you. Ranjit hasn't many friends. Vineet has lots of friends. Vineet is more popular than Ranjit. You have to use these words which are given. Okay. Late, popular, long, strong, old, expensive. Then Balu can lift 80 kilos, but Angad can lift 100 kilos. So what you can write?
Angad is more stronger than Balu.
Very good, very good. Angad is more stronger than Balu. Angad is more stronger than Balu. Angad is more stronger than Balu.
Ma'am, we have to use more also.
No, Angad is stronger than Balu. You can write because already we have used ER. Angad is stronger than Balu. Angad is, where you cannot put ER, there you are using more or most. Okay. Angad is stronger than Balu. Stronger than Balu.
Apples are expensive than oranges.
Next one. Apples are 100 rupees a dozen. Oranges are rupees 50 a dozen.
Apples are more expensive than oranges.
Yes, apples are more expensive than oranges. Apples are more expensive than oranges. Expensive than oranges. Next one.
The church is older than museum.
Yes, the church is older, was older than museum. Was will come. The church was older than museum. The church was older than museum. Older than museum. The church was older than museum.